Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So continuing with our TikTok tutorial series, today I'll be showing you how to do the 3D zoom photo effect on TikTok. But before we start with the tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So let's get started with the video now. So for this effect, you need to download an app called CapCut. So what you'll do is go to Play Store and you'll search for the CapCut app, and then you'll download the app CapCut Video Editor. I've already installed it. I need to update it, but I'll do that later. And you'll open up the app. So then you'll create a new project. You'll tap on the new project button, and then you upload the photos that you want to do the zoom effect with. So this effect can only be done with photos. So you upload the photos over here, and what you'll do is shorten the duration of each clip by using the toggle buttons over here to 1.6 seconds. So you shorten the duration of the clip of each photo, and then what you'll do is click on the edit button over here. You'll scroll and see this cube icon, the style. So you click on style and tap on style, and then scroll and find 3D Zoom Pro effect, and you apply this effect to each and every clip. So let me do that. So once you've applied the effect, as you can see, the length of the clips have again elongated. So you'll shorten the duration of each clip again. So let me do that real quick. So it's easy to do that. You just toggle this scroll button, and then you have this ending button, ending like post-credit scene where you see this CapCut logo. You can delete this, and now if you play this video, as you can see the zoom effect very clearly, and then you can export this video. You can export it directly to TikTok, and you can enter the sound that you want. You'll tap on next, and you can use the hashtag 3D zoom effect. And then post the video. So this is how you do it, guys. It's very simple. I hope you can do this zoom effect now on your own, since this is a trend going on TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned how to do it, and I'll see you in the next one.